Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add text in Odoo websites. This is one of the most useful basic skills to learn, because text blocks allow you to add headings, descriptions, instructions, service information, and other important content to your pages. To get started, open your Odoo website and navigate to the page where you want to place your text. Before making any changes, make sure you are on the correct page, especially if your website contains several similar service pages, product pages, or landing pages. Once you're on that page, look toward the top right corner and click Edit. This will open the website builder so you can make changes directly on the page. You do not need to open a separate coding editor because Odoo allows you to work visually within the website itself. If you don't see the editing tools right away, give it a second to load, because Odoo will switch from the normal page view into editing mode. Once editing mode is active, you should see the available blocks and customization controls appear on the screen. After that, move your attention to the panel on the right-hand side. This is where Odoo keeps the design and content elements you can use on your page. From this panel, you can add new sections and control how different parts of your website look. In that panel, click on the Blocks tab. The Blocks section contains different pre-built content elements that you can add without needing to code anything manually, which makes it a very beginner-friendly way to build or update your website. These blocks may include text, images, buttons, banners, columns, and other useful page elements. Inside the Blocks tab, look for the text element. This is the block you'll use when you want to insert written content, such as a heading, paragraph, short description, or any other text you want visitors to read. For example, you could use it to introduce a service, explain a feature, add contact details, or provide instructions. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct element before placing it on the page. Some Odoo themes may include several text-based blocks with different layouts, so choose the one that best matches the type of content you want to add. Once you find it, drag and drop the text block onto your website page. As you move it around, Odoo will usually highlight possible placement areas so you can see exactly where the block will go. Watch the placement indicator carefully so you do not accidentally add the block inside the wrong section. Drop it into the section that makes the most sense for your layout. This helps keep your page organized and easy to read. For better readability, place related text close to the image, button, product, or service it explains. Now, click directly on the text block you just added. This allows you to edit it and enter your text content. Depending on your Odoo version, you may also see a small formatting toolbar with options for headings, alignment, links, and text styles. You can replace any placeholder text with your own wording and adjust it so it fits the purpose of the page. Make sure the message matches what visitors expect to find in that section and gives them a clear next step when needed. It's a good idea to keep your text clear and concise, especially if this section is meant to communicate important information quickly. Use a clear heading, short sentences, and simple language so visitors can scan the page easily on both desktop and mobile devices. While the text block is still selected, notice that the panel on the right will switch to the Style tab. This gives you access to appearance settings for the selected block without changing the text itself. This is where you can customize the appearance of the block. For example, you can change things like the background, padding, borders, and other visual settings. Padding controls the space inside the block, while borders and backgrounds can help separate the text from nearby content. These options help you match the text section to the rest of your website design and give it a more polished look. Try to use consistent spacing, fonts, and styling throughout the website, so every page feels connected and professional. When you're happy with both the content and the styling, click Save. That's it! Your text has now been added to your Odoo website page. After saving, preview the page on desktop and mobile to make sure the text is readable, correctly positioned, and displayed as expected.